The wait is finally over. Apple has just unveiled the brand new iPhone 18 Pro Max, and this might be the biggest leap we've seen in years. After months of leaks, rumors, and endless hype, the question everyone's been asking is simple. Did Apple really raise the bar this time? Well, I've spent the last month with the iPhone 18 Pro Max in my hands, and let me tell you, this isn't just another small upgrade. From its stunning titanium design to the near bezel-less display and a camera system that looks straight out of the future, Apple has packed in more refinement and power than ever before. In this video, I'm going to break down my full experience, the design, the performance, the cameras, the battery, and whether or not this is the upgrade worth waiting for. So sit back, because this is my complete review of the iPhone 18 Pro Max, 1 month later. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The wait is finally over, and Apple has officially unveiled the iPhone 18 Pro Max in 2025, ending months of speculation, leaks, and non-stop hype. For years, Apple has held the crown as one of the most influential forces in the smartphone industry, and with every new release, the question always remains the same. Can they raise the bar yet again? With the iPhone 18 Pro Max, Apple is not just aiming to raise the bar, they're aiming to rewrite the playbook. This isn't just another smartphone release. This feels like the moment Apple takes everything it has built over the last decade and combines it into a device that doesn't just feel like a yearly upgrade, but a statement about where mobile technology is headed. When I first unboxed the iPhone 18 Pro Max, the sense of refinement was immediate. Apple has always been about subtle but meaningful evolution, and this year is no different. At first glance, it looks sleek and premium, as you'd expect from Apple, but when you hold it, you notice the difference. The body is constructed from a new generation titanium alloy that's even lighter yet more durable than the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The weight distribution is carefully engineered so the phone feels perfectly balanced in your hand. It's a large device, no doubt, but Apple has found a way to make it feel less intimidating to hold and more natural during everyday use. The finish is another highlight. The matte coating is not only resistant to fingerprints but also feels silky to the touch, giving it an elegant texture that you appreciate every time you pick it up. Apple has introduced a few new color options this year, and the one I've been using is the deep Starlight Titanium, which looks absolutely stunning under different lighting conditions. It's one of those finishes that makes you constantly admire your phone when it's lying on a table. Durability has also been given special attention. Apple is introducing Ceramic Shield 2.0, which they claim is the toughest glass ever put on a smartphone. Over the last month, I've been using the iPhone 18 Pro Max without a case just to really test it out. While I wouldn't recommend doing this to everyone, I was pleasantly surprised to see that it has survived drops, bumps, and scratches far better than my previous iPhones. It feels like Apple has finally made a phone that doesn't require babying, which is a huge step forward. One of the most noticeable design changes is the near bezel-less front. Apple has pushed the display to the very edge, creating an almost borderless experience. The bezels are slimmer than ever before, making the screen feel even more immersive. The dynamic island has also been refined. It's smaller, more discreet, and integrated more deeply into iOS 19, making it feel like a true